This video is created using AI under the series Why Learn Math by Simant tutorials, with the purpose of helping students understand the applications of math concepts beyond the classroom and making them aware of different professions where these concepts are used. Every time you look at a wheel, a clock, or even a pizza, you're actually looking at a perfect example of mathematics in action, the circle. But did you know the properties of circles decide how these things work in real life? Think about a car wheel. The tire touches the road at just one point, called the tangent. The tangent is always at a right angle to the radius, and this small fact keeps your ride smooth and your tires rolling perfectly. Look at a clock. The hour marks are evenly spaced because equal chords in a circle are equally distant from the center. Without this property, your 12 o'clock might not be directly opposite your 6 o'clock, and you'd never be on time. In stadiums, architects use the property that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference from the same arc. This ensures that even the farthest seat has a clear view of the field. Satellite dishes also rely on the perfect curve of a circle's arc to reflect signals to a single point, the focus. One wrong calculation and you'd be watching static instead of your favorite show. From pizza cutting, where equal chords make equal slices, to designing round stages, to plotting navigation routes on radar, the properties of circles are everywhere, silently shaping our world. If you liked this video, then for more such videos on math matters, like, subscribe, and share my channel. Don't forget to check the PDF resource in the description box, and remember, math is more than numbers. It's life in action.